Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can claim the Dymension airdrop. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So for those who don't know, you have to stake tokens and coins on the Cosmos ecosystem to keep getting regular airdrops. So as you can see, I have staked like more than $1,500 worth on the Cosmos ecosystem alone. And to be honest, I have recently started staking different tokens on the Cosmos platform, and this Dymension is my first airdrop on the Cosmos ecosystem, to be honest, and I will show you exactly how you can go ahead and claim it. So as you can see, I am eligible for this Dymension airdrop, and the minimum amount that I will receive is like 80 Dymension tokens. So I would advise is to use Leap wallet, Leap or Kepler wallet, but my personal favorite is Leap wallet, because if we go in the explore section, as you can see, they have this airdrop section over here where it automatically fills the Cosmos address and checks the eligibility. So as you can see, I am eligible for the Dymension airdrop and I am not eligible for rest of them. So I've already claimed mine, so minimum I will receive this amount. Now, if you don't know how to stake, I have made a separate video as to how you can stake coins and tokens on the Cosmos ecosystem. You can go ahead and have a look at it, where you will be getting constant airdrops on the Cosmos ecosystem. Please note that 2024-2025 might be a huge bull run, and we can expect good airdrops to be coming in. So I would advise is to stake a minimum of $1,000 plus across different coins, which you can check out in the other video which I have made. Now, for checking the eligibility, you can either directly check over here on the Leap dashboard if you are using a Leap wallet. If not, then you can go to this website genesis.dimension.xyz. Now here you have to select the chain Ethereum, Solana, Cosmos, Celestia, and you can check with all the addresses over here. So now I will give you an example of osmosis, because I was eligible on the osmosis address. So I will simply go to my Leap wallet over here and I will wait for it to load and copy my osmosis address. For some reason it's a bit slow over here. So I will copy my address over here, paste it over here and simply click on check. So as you can see, I've already clicked on claim. So what happens is like first it will ask you to connect one wallet, which should be a Ethereum based wallet and not Leap wallet. In this case, you will either need to have a MetaMask or a Trust wallet. So I would suggest is add MetaMask or maybe Trust wallet to your Chrome browser. And once you connect it, it will automatically pop up the Ethereum address of yours, and it will check the Ethereum address and you simply click on claim. Once that is done, then this page would be populated and it will show you as to how much minimum amount of Dymension tokens you are eligible for. Now if we talk about the Dymension price over here, we still don't have the price, because the Genesis launch is not been done yet, but as soon as the launch is done, we will get to understand the price of the token. And if you want to have more details, you can follow this article on coinlive.com. It has given detailed information as to how many airdrops would be there for the Dymension Genesis. So this is all for this video as to how you can claim the Dymension airdrops. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.